Hello, welcome to MAT222, Differential Equations 1. In this course, as the name suggests, we will study differential equations. Equations involving the derivatives of unknown functions. It is said that if calculus is the heart of modern science, then differential equations are its guts. All physical laws, from the motion of falling bodies, vibrating string, to Maxwell's field equations in electromagnetism, Navier-Stokes equations in fluid dynamics, Einstein's field equation in general relativity, Schrödinger's equation in quantum mechanics, are expressed in terms of differential equations. Let's begin our discussion with a formal definition of a differential equation. So what is a differential equation? An equation containing the derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variables is said to be a differential equation. For example, dy by dt equals 2t, dy by dt minus y equals t, d2y by dt squared minus 5 times dy by dt plus 6y equals 0 are some examples. And the first partial derivative of u with respect to x plus the first partial derivative of u with respect to y equals 3 times x plus y, and so on, are some examples of differential equations. In the first equations, we see there are 3 examples where y is called an dependent variable and t is the independent variable. So y here is a single function of a single independent variable. In the latter equations, here you see the u is a function of 2 variables, x and y, and in this equation, u is a function of x and t, and here also u is a function of x and y. Based on this, whether the dependent variable is a function of a single independent variable or 2 or more independent variables, we can make a classification of differential equation. Classifications by type. If a differential equation contains only ordinary derivatives of one or more unknown functions with respect to a single independent variable, it is said to be an ordinary differential equation, often abbreviated as ODE. On the other hand, if an equation involving partial derivatives of one or more unknown functions of 2 or more independent variables, then it's called a partial differential equation, PDE. Notation. For convenience, we will use the prime notation for ordinary derivatives and subscript notations for partial derivatives. For example, y prime would stand for dy by dt, and y double prime would denote d2y by dt squared, means the second derivative of y with respect to t, and y superscript n enclosed with the parentheses would denote the nth order derivative of y with respect to t. Similarly, in the case of partial derivatives, we will use the subscript notation. For example, u sub x would denote the first order partial derivative of u with respect to x, and u sub t would denote the first order partial derivative of u with respect to t, and so on. Now we can also make another classification by the order. The order of a differential equation is the order of the highest derivative in the equation. For example, y prime equals 2t is a first order ordinary differential equation because the derivative present here has the order 1. Similarly, in the second example, y double prime minus 5y prime plus 6y equals 0. It's a second order ordinary differential equation. It has two derivatives of the unknown function y. One is here with 5, the first order derivative, and this is the second order derivative. So the highest derivative in this equation present is of order 2. So it is called a second order ordinary differential equation. Similarly, the third equation is called the first order partial differential equation, since it's only involving with the first order derivatives of the unknown function u. And the fourth equation, as in the case of the second equation, this equation involves with a second order partial derivative of the unknown function u. The general form of an nth order ordinary differential equation is given by this. Here f is the real valued functions of the independent variable t, the dependent variable y, and its derivatives up to the order of n. So we have n plus 2 many variables here. Thus, the general form of a first order ODE is given by this, where f is a function of the independent variable, the dependent variable, and the first derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. Similarly, the general form of a second order ODE would be a function of t, y, y prime, and y double prime. The normal and explicit form of a first order ODE is given by this equation. So y prime equals some function of t and y. So the first order derivative of the unknown function is expressed in terms of the independent variable and the dependent variable. For example, y prime equals 2t, y prime equals x plus y prime equals y are some examples of first order ordinary differential equation written in normal form. Note here, the first equation, y is a function of the independent variable t. In the second equation, y is a function of the independent variable x. And in the last equation, y could be a function of the independent variable t or the independent variable x. It is often clear in the context. Similarly, the normal form of a second order ODE is given by this equation, where the second derivative is expressed in terms of t, y, and y prime. For example, this equation, y double prime equals negative y, is an example of a second order ODE in normal form.